hope you guys had a good lunch. So today in math, we're going to be talking about shapes. So recently, we've been learning how to identify which shape is which shape, and today we're going to focus on polygons. So today, our objective is students will be able to identify the 3 traits of a polygon. So what do you think the word identify means? Yes?
To be able to tell something.
Okay, does anyone else have any ideas? Paula? Look at something. So we're going to be able to pick out the 3 traits. So what do you think a trait is then? So we're going to be able to pick out, what do you think this word means? Traits.
Like describing.
How you describe something, right? So I would say Patricia has brown hair, she has white skin, she's beautiful. Those are traits that I would use to describe her. So I'm going to read the objective and then you're going to read the objective. Students will be able to identify the 3 traits of a polygon.
Students will be able to identify the 3 traits of a polygon.
So my first question is, I'm going to write some shapes on the board, and I want to see what you guys notice about them, if they have any traits that are in common. Okay, raise your hand if you can tell me any of the traits that these 3 shapes have in common. What's one thing you noticed, Jordan?
They all have straight lines.
Right? Do any, well, I'm not a very good artist, but do any of these have wiggly lines? That one's not on purpose. Like Jordan said, they all have straight lines. Exactly. So straight lines or straight sides. What's another thing you guys notice about these shapes?
They come to a point.
They come to a point, right? So are any of them like this?
No.
Because there's no point, right? And also, what else isn't there, Jordan?
Straight lines.
A straight line, you got it. So they come to a point. So we're going to learn a new vocabulary word today. And so when something comes to a point, it's called a vertice. So this shape has vertices. So we're going to practice. Can you practice saying that word?
Vertices.
And what is a vertice?
Comes to a point.
Comes to a point. Great job. So when you identify the characteristics, so far we have straight sides, and they all have vertices, right? What else do you notice about these shapes? Are any of them like this?
No.
Are any of them like this? What's different between this shape and that shape? Yes, Patricia?
They come to a close.
They come. So they're a closed shape, right? They're not open like this shape is. Great job. So it's a closed shape, right? So now that you guys are polygon experts, I'm going to draw some shapes and I want you to tell me why or why not a shape is a polygon, and then I want you to be able to explain your answer, okay? All right. So raise your hand if you can tell me if this is a polygon or not. Why not?
Because there's a thing open at the top of the triangle.
And what else? We didn't cover this trait, but I want to see if you can notice. What's one other trait that makes it not a polygon?
They cross. The lines cross.
Thank you, Paula. The lines cross.
Sorry.
So this is a polygon, right? And remember, it's important to respect people's turn when they raise their hand, okay?
That is a polygon?
Is this a polygon?
No.
You got it. You caught me. Not a polygon. Good job, Patricia. All right. Now, what about this shape? Is this shape a polygon?
Yes.
Yes.
Why is it a polygon?
Because it has the 3 traits. It has straight sides, it has vertices, and they're closed shapes.
Great job. So this one is a polygon. And what about this last shape? Is this one a polygon or not?
No.
Why not, Jordan?
Because it's open.
Right? It's open. Is it missing anything else?
No, it has some straight lines and it has 2 vertices.
Great job. It is not a polygon. So now, I want you guys to practice on your own and see if you can tell the difference between polygons and not polygons. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pass out a worksheet. On this worksheet, you can see some examples of the difference between the 2. And then here we have some examples about whether or not, if it's a polygon, you circle yes. If it's not, you circle no. So you're going to do this row. And then at the bottom, you get to draw your own shape. And then at the bottom, you need to use words to describe what a polygon is. And so if I was you, I would make sure that we talk about the 3 characteristics and what are they? What's one characteristic, Jordan?
Straight line.
Straight line,
They come to a point.
which is called what?
Vertices.
Vertices. And last but not least?
They have to be closed shape.
All right. So I'm going to pass out these worksheets, and I'm going to give you guys some time. If you have a question, please raise your hand. And then at the end, we will talk about your worksheet. Raise your hand if you have any questions.
Can we color them?
When you're done.
I have a smelly pen.
That's
Anyone want
nice.
to smell? It's orange.
Hmm.
Mmm.
All right. So as you guys are finishing up, what was our goal for today? What was our objective?
That will be
To identify the 3 traits of a polygon.
So before we go, what are the 3 traits of a polygon?
Has to have straight lines.
Straight lines,
Vertices.
vertices. Great job. Great use of the new vocabulary word.
in closed shape.
At a close shape. Great job, guys. Thank you for working so hard today. I really appreciate it.